Hey guys, what's up? Sorry I'm out of breath. We're running around this house, flights of stairs all over the place, but we're in the library right now. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do the two-girl shot with Heidi and with Kareshmeh. And they're both got blonde hair, and one of them's gonna be a sexy teacher, the other one's gonna be a naughty little schoolgirl. And I just thought it was perfect in front of the library with the books. And we've got this absolutely stunning couch. I don't even know where this is from, but he told me that this is all handcrafted. This whole thing was just hand carved. It's just absolutely incredible. He loves eagles in his house. So yeah, this is gonna be a really cool scene. And we have some light coming from a room over there. So we have windows, and we're just gonna do a side light right here and just use natural light. And we don't have to set up dramatic lighting or anything like that. And we'll try to get back on schedule. So hair and makeup, you start to run behind. You just got to keep on rolling with it. So it's going to be hot. Trust me. Yeah.